Hey, on this video, I'm going to show you how you can add 6 little words to any advertising you do. It's not going to cost you a nickel, and it will explode your response. All you have to do right now is buckle up, because we're going to get started. Hey, I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. Thank you so much for taking a minute out of your day. If you don't already know me, I'm the guy that eats, sleeps, and breathes car count. On this video, I want to show you exactly what we did and explain why it all worked for a client, a user on a GoMo text messaging platform. In reality, we added 6 little words to an ad spot, and it was in combination with other things, but I'm going to show you exactly how this worked and how it made his phones explode, literally. Well, I shouldn't say literally, but you get the drift of what I'm going for. So right now, on the screen here, I'm going to share my phone with you, where you will see the actual digital coupon that was broadcast on the GoMo text messaging platform. Now, understand a couple of things. Let's look at some of the basics. First of all, there's a great headline, Save $123.02. And this was, of course, in response, or this was another reason to actually send a message, was COVID relief. I mean, let's face it. This was done in the month of January 2021. And of course, everyone's a little bit under the weather, sort of being tired of hearing about it, but it was a good reason to send an offer. The other thing I want to draw your attention to is at the bottom of this offer, it says that, this is available to you, but you have to book in the next 3 days. So we're putting a little bit of urgency in there. Now, the next thing I'm going to tell you is that if you listen to all the gurus, they're going to tell you that one of the things you have to include in your advertising is some sort of social proof. So what is social proof? Well, if I wanted to put this in just basic terms, social proof is showing the people you're advertising to that a lot of other people are using what you want them to do or what you want them to use. So here's a little trick. Now, first of all, this entire format is based on my kick butt offer strategy, and I'll leave a link below here where you can download your own version of the kick butt offer that actually gets customers to buy. But the strategy was this. It was the same thing, taking a $49 oil change and advertising it for $49 while we show all the other services that they include when they do that oil change. But the big difference is that we put a value to those services. So you can see here, the total value is $172.97. The customer saves $123.02, or 71.12%. They buy the oil change for $49.95. So where were the 6 little words? Well, if you'll notice here on the right side, it says, if lines are busy, call back. Now, I'm going to tell you that you've probably seen that if you watch things in infomercials or anything, but here's a little bit of the strategy or the psychology behind this. We've told the customer that they can get this deal, but they have to react or book an appointment in the next 3 days. And then we're telling them that if the lines are busy, you better call back. So what's that really doing? That's the social proof out there that you're telling your customers that you're advertising to that this is a good deal. It all worked extremely well, and this is all on the GoMo text messaging platform. I'll leave links below this video as well, and you can get started doing all this. There'll also be a link for my download of how to create kick butt offers that work, and you'll see the exact formula to how this offer all works. Hey, I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment or visit me at Ask the Car Count Fixer. I promise I respond to every question. Take care. Talk to you soon.